Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get, where you can find the quest prize items on Dress to Impress. There's going to be more than one depending on the outcome you choose, so you do have to play a lot of the quest multiple times. So the first one that I got was this, and this was by following the music and then opening the treasure. This one was by following the mist, and then it just gave me this. And then I think there's like two more outcomes where you follow the music and then you keep going. You go back to that like island, that like misty island, and then I think you get like a hat, I think. And then the fourth one would be you follow the music and then get to the treasure, and then instead of the harp do the like orca. So this one's like the first one is like the harp one. I don't think it's like in that like specific um kind of outcome, but I think it's just like in order on like what you get first. So this is what I've got. I've only done two of the outcomes, so I'll need to do two more. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.